Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve miscellaneous questions 9 of probability. Now, as I said in the previous example, in previous videos of miscellaneous questions, these questions were meant for you to solve it beforehand before you watch this video. So if you haven't done the question, I really advise you to pause this video for a while, okay, and then copy the questions that you see in the screen, okay, somewhere else in some other paper, and then you take some time to solve the question on your own, or maybe you discuss with your friend, okay, and then afterwards you come back to this video and then watch the rest of the video to see the solution. Or maybe you can compare, because you can compare what you've done with what I have in the rest of the video. If you just watch the video from start to finish and did nothing, and I believe you won't learn so much, okay? Please do that. Now let's get started with the answer. Okay, how to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what happened. So to enter a particular matriculation college, a candidate must pass 3 tests in the following order: must pass oral test, aptitude test, and a written test. So we must do the tests according to the order. So first oral, then aptitude, only one I. Okay, aptitude, then writing lah. Okay, written test. So when we have this sort of thing, it's a flow of process. So this is the first one, this is second process, this is the third process. So the most suitable way to solve it is by using a tree diagram. Okay, so we have the idea. It's about a flow of a process. You have to do something first and then you do something else later. That's why we have to do 3 diagrams. So and then we do lah. Okay, now when you take a test, there's the outcome is either you pass or you fail. Okay, so for each test there are only 2 outcomes. Okay, so the type of tree that we expect is something like this. So I rub this all off. Okay, so padam all this first. Okay, so the first column is about what just now? The first test. The first test is oral test. So it's either you pass or you fail. Okay, or maybe to differentiate everything, maybe the first one is oral test, right? Pass oral. Okay, fail oral. That's better. Okay, so the symbol you may decide on your own. You don't want this one, or maybe you want oral comma, or you want O and then oral comma. Up to you, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is for the first process, taking oral test. Okay, next, taking what test? Aptitude test, I think. Yes. So aptitude, pass the aptitude or fail the aptitude. Same goes to this one. Okay, it's either you pass the aptitude after you fail the oral, or you fail again for the second test, fail at aptitude. Okay, and then what is the third process? The third process is taking the written test. So taking test, there are only 2 ways. It's either you fail or you pass. Okay, so same goes to this one. Each one of them we need to expand 2 more like this. Okay, so written test. So you pass written or you fail written. Same goes to this one. Okay, you pass written or you fail written. This one also the same thing. You pass written or you fail written. This one I have to squeeze the tree a little bit. So pass written, fail written. Okay, so in total there are 8 possible combinations, or there are 8 possible ways that you can go into the flow of the test. Okay, now so we need to fill up all these with the probability appropriately in each branch. Okay, now what is the first information given? Given that probability that a candidate passes the first test is 0.8. So that passes the first test is 0.8. So this one 0.8, this one 0.2. Okay, and if the candidate pass a test, the probability pass the subsequent test is 0.9. So from this one, we can fill up all those possible related branch. If pass the previous one, the next one pass, the probability passing is 0.9. So this one pass oral. If pass oral, the probability of passing aptitude also 0.9. If pass aptitude, then 0.9 passing written also. Okay, good. Now, what else? This one we can this one pass, right? And then we can put 0.9. This one pass 0.9 as well. What else? Oh yes, done lah already. Okay, so we can write the complement over here. This one also complement. Okay, that set up. Now next, what else? There are still branches yet to be filled, kan? Okay, so the next one. On the other hand, if the candidate fails, the probability that candidate fails the subsequent test is 0.7. If you fail a test, the probability that you pass, that you fail, if fail, the candidate fail is 0.7. If fail, this one 0.7. Okay. If fail, 0.7. This one wrong lah. Oh, cannot. Oh, this one correct. This one correct. Oh, my bad. This one correct because we passed the test. This one cannot 0.9 because we failed the previous test. I'm sorry. Okay, so this one 0.3, this one 0.3. So, good lah. Okay. This one already 0.1. But we failed this one, right? So, we further continue the failure 0.7, and then this one 0.3. So our 3 complete. Complete already. Good. Settle. Okay. Now the next one, you too many. I don't want to count everything. Waste time. Okay, so let's find the first one. Here can. Okay. A, pass oral test and written test. Pass oral test and written test. Or maybe I list all the possibilities over here at least. Okay. Now this one is pass oral, pass aptitude, pass. This one, pass oral, fail aptitude. Sorry. Pass aptitude, fail written. Pass oral, fail aptitude, pass written. Pass oral, fail aptitude, fail written. This one fail oral, pass aptitude, pass written. This one fail oral, pass aptitude, fail written. This one fail oral, fail aptitude, pass written. This one is fail everything. Okay, now we want to know which one we want lah. Okay, so the first one, is pass the oral test and the written test. pass oral test and the written test. Which one? Oral and written. Oral and written means oral pass and written. So which one? This one, yes. This one is the one we want. This one, pass. Oh no, this one cannot. This one, pass. Okay. Pass, no. Pass, no. No. So only these two. So we calculate the probability for each one of them. So pass 0.8 multiply 0.9 multiply 0.9. And this one is 0.8 multiply 0.1 multiply 0.3. Okay, so for A, the probability of pass oral and pass written, it's either probability you pass oral, pass aptitude, pass written, or pass oral, fail aptitude, pass written. Okay, so it's 0.8, 0.9, 0.9 plus 813, 0.8, 0.1, 0.3. Okay, so take some time to calculate first. So that's the figure. Okay, I use calculator and then you just pause the recording for a while and then just show you the answer. Okay, now let's go for the second one. Pass at least 2 tests. Okay, so what we want is pass at least 2 tests. Pass at least 2 means we need 2 pass. Okay, in any kind of test, doesn't matter oral, writing or aptitude. Okay, so let's have a look. Which one is the one that we can select? Okay, so for B, we want to pass 2 tests. Okay, so this one pass at least 2, this one pass 3, yes, this one pass 2, this one pass 2 tests, this one no, fail 2, cannot, this one pass 2, yes, this one fail 2, cannot, fail 2, fail all. Okay, so we need to add these ones, the one that I ticked. Okay, okay, so the answer is probability of pass all, okay, and then pass oral, fail aptitude, oh no, pass aptitude, fail written, plus pass oral, fail aptitude, pass written, and then plus another one, fail oral, pass aptitude, pass written. So these are all the 4 plausible ways that you can pass at least 2 tests. Okay, now since I'm just taking the numbers from the 3 and then I put it back nicely, so I'm pausing the recording for a while for you to see it later. Okay, okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.